Myself, Dr. S. Sivamani, Department of Physical Education, Amet University. Now I am going to tell about basic physical fitness. Why need for physical fitness? The physical fitness, it is important in the vital role of human living activities and day-to-day activities. It implemented one of the physical activities. If you want to take any object or walking or jogging, you need some physical fitness. Without physical fitness, you can't do any activities. So it is necessary in the human living and human vital organ or activities. Now I am going to tell about one by one. Already I discussed about that why need for physical fitness. The physical fitness, it is the richest position. You can't buy in this shop. It is not buying object or buying things. You day by day you can improve your physical activity. You have to some physical exercise and physical oriented activities, then only you can get and then only you can improve your physical fitness. So the discuss of physical fitness is one of the richest persons, and you can't buy. Already I told you that one of the it is can't be purchased, it has to be earned through the daily routine work. Already I discussed about this, the daily activity, day by day activity you can do, it is improved, it is a toning up activity you getting for physical fitness. That is why I am saying that the physical fitness why need. Each and every activity is based on physical fitness. The regular activity you able to do without any fatigue or tired. So it is a definition or meaning of the physical fitness. What is physical fitness? I explained previously. Now again to explain this what is physical fitness. The physical fitness is a capacity of person to meet the daily activity or demands of daily life and carrying out the daily activity without any fatigue. Is already explained. There is a person, anyone they can do for the daily activity without any fatigue. Its need for the physical fitness. So next slide, I am going for the next slide. Definition of physical fitness: the state of general well-being, physical sound and healthy, along with the mental stability. Physical fitness is the ability to carry out tasks without any fatigue. Components of physical fitness. There are two components in the physical fitness. One is health related component of physical fitness, another one skill related component of physical fitness. The health related physical fitness having three components. The subcomponents the three. One is cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility and body composition. Now I am discuss one by one. You can see in the PPT. Health related physical components consist of 5. It is one is cardiorespiratory endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, body composition. Skill related physical components includes agility, balance, coordination, speed, power, reaction, time. Cardiorespiratory endurance, ability of cardiovascular and respiratory system to deliver oxygen and other nutrient to working muscles and to remove waste. Light activity, moderate activity, vigorous activity. Light activity like jogging, walking, so and so, that is a light activities. Moderate activities, moderates combined with similar change in the light and vigorous activity. It is called moderate activities. Sometimes you can do for 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes. It is called for light activity. If you are jogging continuously for 5 minutes based on your heart rate and respiratory inspirations capacity, this is called light activities. Moderate, it is based on your heart rate and age. You classify it in the moderate activity based on your heart rate and your age. These activities based your heart rate and age, the intensity level or want increase or decrease or over based on your cardiac output of pulse rate and heart rate. The vigorous activities, more than 45 minutes or 1 hour you continuous jogging or improving your performance in marathon, half marathon. So, you can implement in the vigorous activity of cardiac endurance will develop and you achieve the sports and games performance automatically moving forward. Next one is muscular strength. Muscular strength means the ability of the body to exert minimum force against the object external to the body. Ability of muscles or group of muscles to exert a force a brief period of time. For example, you are doing weight training. The weight training activity involved the muscular strength and muscular endurance activities. One repetition you can do adding for the weighted at the both side at 20, or if you are adding 15 kgs weight and using the rod, your bench press you are applying the test of bench press, you can take more than 5. After you can do for more than 5. It is a repetition, 1 repetition, 2 repetition. So, one activity you can adding the same weight the more than frequency of time, it is increasing and developing for your muscular strength. Next one is muscular endurance. Muscular endurance, if you doing for sit ups or push up, the muscular endurance, the more than time you can repetition is high, it is developing our muscular endurance. Like a person can do 20 push up at the minutes but 30 seconds or 1 minute. After that regular practice, he can do for 45 per minutes, 45 counts per minutes. That is called muscular endurance. Next one is the benefit of muscular endurance and strength. Improve the performance, prevention of injury, improve body composition, improve self image. Some activities includes weightlifting, push-ups. Already I discussed and I explained given about in the weight strength and muscular endurance. Next one is flexibility. Flexibility is to move joint through the full range of motion. The motion and range, that motion is movement, is not you can't, if you want bending and catching the pen, or if you drop it pen, you go away and bend and take the pen, otherwise if you standing you can't take immediately. So, the flexibility need to bend the ligaments and joints and muscular is supporting to bend, you can take easily the any object or climbing up and taking up your things. It is a supporting for the flexibility. Definition: ability to bend joints and stretches muscle through a full range of motion. Some activities include sit and reach, warm up and cool down. The warm up to ready to muscles to work out for upcoming events and upcoming activities. So, it is supporting for warming up to ready to muscles. So, it is elasticities of your muscular contraction. So, the flexibilities muscles to make a elasticities. That is why this telling that flexibility mean the elasticities expansions of muscles do for activities. It is supporting one of the component of flexibility. If you have the more flexibility, your life span is increased. It is many researchers proved that the flexibility is one of the vital role, and the yogis also the followed the improving flexibility. Next one is body composition. Body composition makeup of body, lean mass and fat mass. The lean mass and fat mass based on the person's appearance. The more muscular the person have seen for the obese. You can see many of them eating junk foods and sitting and eating, watching on the TV. Simply they will get the more fat. The more fat, who are having the more fat, the people's called obese. The obese based on the BMI rate of BMI. The BMI rate you can calculate very simply and using some simple formula. Weight divided meter square, weight in kg, meet in centimeter, centimeter or meter. If we have the less than 18.5 percentage of BMI level, you are underweight level. More than 18 to 24 point, you have this normal body level. Another one is the overweight, more than 25.2 to 29, you have this overweight. And obesity, those are having more muscular and more fat above the height level or BMI level, more than 30 percentage you have, you are the obese. This called obese boys. Next one is skill related fitness component. Agility, balance, coordination, speed, power, reaction time. Agility is very essential for badminton player. Any quickness of activities like agility supporting for and improving through the shuttle run and optical races. So, the agility supporting to develop through the zigzag run. And balance is a vital role. The balance based on body mass, mind, everything, the coordinating and the balance. You can see that hockey, like ice hockey and gymnastics, they need for balance. They are climbing a high bar, they are standing the both hand holding the bar and the legs are straight away and looking upwards. Though without balancing, you can't stand in the you can't stand and the bar. It is not easily. If you having more balance, then only you can do, otherwise you can't do. And speed is reaction, the distance covered by shortest time. If you want to go within 5 seconds for 100 meter dash, it is record. The Usain Bolt climbed 9.56 seconds for 100 meters. It is a world record. The world record he can climb, it is not for easy. It is have the more hard work, then only he secured, then only he achieved for that succeeds one in the 100 meter. Next one is a power. Power is supporting of muscular contractions and muscular endurance. It's a combination of muscular endurance, muscular power. The power you can see for weight training or the weight lifter, bench press, they are applying for more power. The power is a force of against the resistance to pulling through the muscle support. It is called power. Reaction time, the quick and immediate action, it is called the reaction time. If you are dropping the pen, your hand immediately catching the pen, that is called reaction time. Now briefly discuss about the skill related physical fitness component. Skill related physical fitness component, first one is agility. Agility is change of direction to entire body quick while moving from one point to another point. It is called agility. The agility maximum implemented in the game of badminton, Kho-Kho, like the reaction time is more because of agility is immediate action and quick movement. You can see that athlete, they are clapping or firing from the starting point, the athletes listening only the commands of gun shooting or tapping the clap. They can get the signal, they immediately run away towards the achievement point or end of the 100 meter or 400 meter point. It is supporting for the agility and balance. Balance is a complex part of motor fitness which is influence the vision in air, that cerebellum, muscular joints and tendons. Next one is speed. Speed is ability move from one point to another point in the stress time or possible time. It is distance covered by the shortest duration or time. It is called speed. Speed, the time covered in the distance covered in the shortest period or duration, it is called speed. One point to another point, the distance, you have the distance, one you standing here, you can move the fraction of second, it is called speed, the distance covered by the time. Next one is the power. The power ability perform the maximum effort as the shortest time of possible. For example, if a bench press, the adding the weighted, you can take one arm, the maximum number of lifting, the one repetition, you maximum number of one repetition you can climb the immediately of the weight, it is called one arm. One maximum number, it is for weighting and pulling, so and so, it is using for power. Reaction time. Reaction time I already discussed about the quickness and immediate action. If you are dropping the pen or any object, unknowing you can catch, unknowing you to stop the dropping of the object, that is reaction time. It is a neuromuscular stimulation. Next one is coordination. Coordination is very simple eye hand coordination and body coordinations. If the runner is moving towards the finishing point, the arm and eye is coordinated only, you can move immediately and complete the end point. Next one is system related physical fitness. System related physical fitness, the fitness level combined and together in the human systems, skeletal system, respiratory system, neuromuscular system and cardiorespiratory system. System related physical fitness, it is one of the vital role in the physical fitness. Maintenance of physical fitness are dependent upon the efficiency and proper functioning of system of the body. It is component or skeletal system, muscular system, cardiorespiratory system and nervous system. The four systems running in the human. Without these four systems, the human can't live, the human can't have fitness. It is vital and important fitness components, system related physical fitness. Next one, factor to fitness development, the progression to increase the frequency, intensity and or durations of activity. Period of time necessary for continuous improvement in physical fitness. Improvement in the physical fitness realized fairly rapidly at the onset of exercise training program. Yes, of course, it is important one progressing of physical fitness. If you want to do any activity, you should frame the schedule. Without framing up schedule, you can't do, you can't achieve, and you can't able to done successful manner. So the progression is important. It's based on the timing and frequency, intensity level, everything is in framing in the schedule. You should follow the aspects. Naming returns of fitness persons become the more difficult. It is a continue to become the fitter of some rate. Individual difference. Yes, the individual difference is very easily you can see. Every person or every individual have some capability and capacity. There is one person to another persons have difference, many difference we can see. Like that, one person, if you are the taller, you are going to perform for high jump or a short run and pole vault. It is suitable for the height players, for athletes. In a games and sports, in a game, the height man is the more vital in position for volleyball, basketball and rugby, and so many games is there. There is a essential for the height based games. And the short person, what about short person, you are asking that question, is a good one. The height person is having some quality and short persons have the some quality. Is they are not together for to going to perform successfully in the games and sports also. The short person can do for short put or run short run distance and many activity they are involving. The individual difference, every person has unique physical and physiological makeup that require the unique training program. Factors that may be play a role are current fitness level, gender, age, heredity, susceptibility to injury, rest and recovery needs and diets. Next one is specificity, the capacity of training in which individuals engage should be direct specialty to improving their ability life. Therefore, choose the right kind of activity to improve each physical fitness component and the right combinations of physical fitness component to help activity of daily living. Also, train specifically for specific activity of interest. Yes, it is an important one. Without interest, you can't do anything, and without interest, without supporting up your mind, your body, you can't succeed, you can't complete and you can't performance in the particular or specific sports and activity. The next one, overload. A person's work often enough hard intensity, enough and long durations, load of body activity, its resting level, physical fitness will improve. The load based on your heart rate, the intensity level, intensity level, it is increase based on your heart rate only. You can't, if your heart rate is very less and based on your age, that if one formula is there, 220 minus age, that is intensity level, the calculation of intensity level. If you are going to perform for 20% or 50% or 40%, that formula applicable based on this your heart rate and age. It is called the overload implementations and intensity based activity schedule. The preparing the per athletes or coaches based on this intensity level, they giving for or training for the athletes. Why the letters, 4 letters having in caps? The FIT is frequency, intensity, training and type or test. The frequency, number of times you are going to do for activity is called frequency. Another one, intensity. The intensity is called during activity in the load, with the load, it is called intensity. The intensity already told, the intensity based on heart rate and age. 220 is the maximum heart rate minus age. If my age is 20, my 80 percentage of intensity level, 220 minus 20, so 100 percentage is 200. 200 is 100 percentage. I want to do in the intensity level for 80. So you calculate for 200 divided 10 into 8. You will get for 80 percentage mean you are 160. 160 is your maximum heart rate per 80 percent intensity activity. That's I am explaining for example, explanations given here. So maximum heart rate 220 is already told that the 220 is maximum heart rate minus your age. You will get for 100 percentage intensity heart rate. Then warm up maximum you are doing the warm up 50 to 60 percentage. Fat burning zone or fat burning exercise, you follow that 60 to 70 percentage heart rate. Aerobic zone, aerobic activity 70 to 80 percentage, and anaerobic activity 80 to 90 percentage. The red line zone, the red line mean you know very well that red alert and the red zone is very dangerous. The maximum players they want to cross the red line. It is a crucial time only the athletes or players they involved in that such activity 90 to 100 percentage. So not for all, this is some of few people only can do in the training section. Next one, already discussed about the FIT principles: FIT, frequency, intensity, time and type of exercise. Now I am going for next slides. Next, the safety consideration. The safety consideration is important. Each and every activities have some safety you should follow, and we should follow. Some people knowingly unknowingly doing any activity without proper coaching or proper warming up and warm down. So they will get for injury, some chronological injury or severe injury they will get. It is some safety consideration you should follow. I am telling one by one. They include the general warming up. It's every activity before that you go for general warming up, and general warming up is there, specific warming up is there. The general warming up is normal one. The specific that's based on this games and sports. Next one is to make sure that quality instructor, the quality of coaches, they instructed properly. So you no worry, they will give the proper and they give guidance for your activity. So you should follow that your coach instruction. Next one is beginner consider using body weight exercise and capable mechanic exercise until proper technique learned. Some people selfly they do for weight lossing or weight gaining physical activity as physical fitness oriented activity. So if you want to do, you think it is suitable, you can manage yourself, you can do. Otherwise you ask and get some physical instructors or some coaches the related sports and physical improvements. Next one is stand non-slip surface to reduce the risk of slip and falls. Never complete straighten your joints. Work big muscles group before small one. Perform multi-joints exercise before single joint exercise. Train the core area lost. When in the situation where a spotter may be required check with a physical education instructor or weight room supervisor regarding safety and proper technique. I am already told, if you are going for the weight training, you should choose one partner or instructor supporting you. You don't do any activity in the gymnasium or weight training alone, because you are adding weight, you can't keep it at the rack. They need for some assist, that is called support. So without support you can't do alone any activities. Next one is, thank you.